Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find skylighters or how you can complete skylighters challenge in Forza Horizon 6. It's pretty easy. All you need to do, just open the map and go to this location. Right here you'll able to basically find those skylighters and you can basically capture the photo and complete the challenge. But this has to happen during autumn, otherwise you'll not able to complete the challenge, and you should visit this place during night because only then you'll able to see skylighters. But there's a trick which you can use to complete this challenge. Like, all you need to do, go to creative hub tab, then here we need to select this one, event lab, go to play challenges, and right here select the option search, select this one, share code, and you have to type this code 167507810, then select OK, just hit confirm, and you're gonna see the challenge. Select that and you'll basically just able to complete that challenge right away. So wait for it to load. Now as you can see, we got the challenge skylighters. So here you can see we have skylighters in front of the car. So what you need to do now, just go a bit further. Okay, now you have to go a bit near to those skylighters and simply open the photo mode. Once the photo mode is open, you just need to capture the photo of skylighters, as you can see right here. So just capture the photo and you will see the challenge has been successfully completed. Now if I just go and open the collection journal, select this one and go to photography, you will able to see we have successfully completed the skylighters challenge inside Forza Horizon 6. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.